A very cold November the 4th, 2009. The sun is out. Blind the camera. And of course we're walking around the reserve. So I'm going to shut up and we're going to go see if we can film those red-crested pochard. They're quite a way off, but I'll do my best. Let's go. This is a grey heron. It's not easy trying to keep the camera still. Hope I don't make a mess of this. This swan's off to see Nom. Here we can see a young great crested grebe. Hasn't got the colourful head feathers of the adult yet. An amazing bird to watch, even at this young age. It started to get its little tufted ear feathers, I call them. Humbugs, because they look like humbugs. We're actually at Heronry Lake North, and that's a cormorant that you can see. What I'm going to do now is a quick pan of the lake from left to right, so you can see just how many birds are visiting here this morning at the reserve. As you can see, there's quite a few birds here today. There's gadwalls, widgeons, coots, mute swans, Canada geese, grey lag geese, tufted ducks out there. It's just awesome seeing all of these birds gathered in one place. It's fantastic. And of course, these are just the waterfowl that have landed here. I love hearing that crow, don't you? There he goes again. And the sound of the widgeon is just awesome. Like I said, this is just the waterfowl. There's much more here than the waterfowl. Marsh tits, blue tits, great tits. All sorts of birds. Even my little robin friend, I keep hearing him all the time as I walk around. They're all hungry by the looks of things, bopping up and down, trying to grab the plants from under the water. I often sit here for hours and hours. I just love it. It's so relaxing. It's brilliant. I have no words to describe it. It's just amazing. Did you hear that? That's the green woodpecker. It's like he's taunting us, saying, "You're never going to get me on film." Surprisingly enough, the green woodpecker spends a lot of time on the ground, where you would expect it to be in the trees, pecking at the bark. Here we go. This is the red-crested pochard with its bright orangey red head and red beak. It has a black front and black rear with white flanks. The female, which is just going to the left now, is all brown with a longer slim beak and a whitish face patch. Now these are wild birds, but most, if not all, of the breeding population in the UK are from escaped birds from people's collections. Large numbers of these birds exist in Spain and France. Now I'm not sure if they migrate from abroad or not. I don't think they do, because these birds only fly short distances. You can find them mostly in the southern parts of England and eastern England. And Little Paxton Pits is in eastern England, so it's great to be able to come here and see these birds. The picture quality is probably not that good because I am zoomed to maximum, as they are virtually on the other side of this Heronry Lake North Lake. I'll probably post a video later on this evening with more information about this awesome little bird. Anyway, it's time for us to get on out of here. Yes, Mr. Crow, I know, we're going. See you again soon.